So to make it easy, you want to use your computer or laptop to do this, and then you want to sign in to your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And then after you signing in, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV by going to your profile picture at the top right of your screen, and then you want to click on settings. On the settings, at the membership, at the base plan, if you have this manage option instead add option, then it means your subscription to YouTube TV is still ongoing. So you can just go back to the home page by click on this YouTube icon, and then you want to click on the shop icon at the top right of your screen. And then on the sports, you want to click on the sports. And then on NFL RedZone with Sports Plus, you want to click on it. And then you want to buy this NFL RedZone with Sports Plus with $10 per month. And then just click on next to complete your purchase either with your PayPal or your credit or debit card. And then after you complete the purchase, to watch the NFL live game, you can do it both on your computer or TV or any streaming devices. And then click on this search icon at the top right of your screen. And then you want to search for NFL. And then just for your info, you can also watch the NFL Network and NFL RedZone. And then if you want to watch any upcoming live session of the NFL game and you want to record it to watch it later on your YouTube TV library, you can just choose on any specific upcoming live session or the live game, and then click on these three dots, and then choose on add with the name of the show. This way, you don't have to stand by all day to watch the live session because YouTube TV already recorded it for you, even when you don't watch it on live. And then to check every show that you add or recorded, you can just go to library right here at the top of your screen. And then, if you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch NFL live game on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.